from area. As everybody knows here, water and electricity, they don't go well. You've got water extinguishers. Now I don't think you've got any here, but you do have foam extinguishers. Foam extinguishers are water-based, right? A foam concentrate is mixed with the water. So the principle remains. Using any of those on electrical equipment, it will not go well. It will not go well, right?
Worse for you.
There's a risk of electrocution doing something like that. This is why when a fire officer arrives at a fire, one of the first questions they ask is, has the electrical supply been turned off, right? They want to know that when they go in there with their hoses, that they're not risking themselves being electrocuted. They have good equipment, they have boots with thick soles and all the rest of that, but still, at the same time, if you're dealing with water, you don't want the risk there at all, right? In terms of types of fire extinguishers, I'll just switch over here to another PowerPoint.